Updating your Axis firmware is really easy if you have a Windows 10 PC. All you need to do is head over to our website, head to the catalogue and find the update software. Add that to your cart. So then you'll just need to go through to checkout, enter your email address, enter your billing details. Obviously this is a completely free update, but it's just so we know who is downloading. And then your order will process and your downloads will be prepared. It can take a second or two just to come through. And there we go. So you just download that to your desktop or to your downloads file, wherever you will find it again in the future, and then just click it to install. To update your Axis, what you're going to need is your laptop or your computer that you've installed the software on. You'll need your Axis and you'll need the USB cable that came with it. So I'll just open up the software here, click yes. And there you go, it's connecting to our servers. So at this point, step 1, you need to plug in your Axis and then it will turn on as such. You can see there that I am still on 1.1 software. We're going to update to 1.2. So in step 1, the COM port, as soon as you connect that to your computer, that will be automatically selected. You just then need to select your model, so in this case it's the Axis. A bit more information under step 3 about the firmware history, what we've introduced, what we've changed, and you can go back to see original updates as well. So once you've approved that and accepted that, you can then hit update now. So at this point it is really important that you don't touch your Axis at all, just leave it alone. And there you see the progress bar just scrolling across. And it'll only take a few seconds just to update, but just make sure that you are all the way to step 5 before you touch your Axis or disconnect it. So there we go, step 5, and as you can see my Axis updated to 1.2. I'll show you a bit closer in a second. So you can hit finish and that will close the software down. So now when I unplug my Axis and turn it back on, you'll see that the firmware version is at 1.2. And that's all there is to it with updating Axis. Obviously with future updates you won't need to download the update software again because it will just connect to our server automatically. Of course there may be updates to the software in the future, but this is why we take everybody's name during the order process so we can get in contact with you and let you know. And that's the same process for the Flux as well when we release updates for the Flux stimulator. As you can see, nice and easy, nice and quick. If you have any questions at all, please contact us on info@electrastim.com. Thanks again. Bye bye.